A tiny accessory mistake can leave your premium smartwatch feeling incomplete, less practical, or even harder to enjoy every day. The best Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 accessories reveal the upgrades and hidden essentials that can transform how you wear, protect, and use your watch without wasting money on the wrong picks. Stay until the end and check the description links to explore the top recommendations. The number 9 product on our list is Speeguard Metal Stainless Steel Band. Choosing a metal band for your Galaxy Watch can be tricky because a premium look means nothing if comfort and fit are missing. Speeguard Metal Stainless Steel Band solves the common issue of loose or ordinary straps with its sturdy one-piece design and adjustable links that help you create a balanced fit. The brushed stainless steel finish gives your smartwatch a professional appearance for work meetings, travel, or formal occasions, while the included toolkit makes resizing easier at home. Unlike lightweight bands focused only on flexibility, this option delivers a more classic metal feel, though the added weight may not appeal to active lifestyles. If you want a durable style upgrade with better wrist control, this accessory deserves attention. Keep watching because the upcoming picks introduce different solutions for comfort, protection, and everyday Galaxy Watch 9 accessory needs too. At number 8 is Autalgy Magnetic Charger. A dead smartwatch at the wrong moment can turn a convenient device into a frustrating piece of tech, especially when your charger is slow or unreliable. Autalgy Magnetic Charger focuses on fixing that everyday problem with a precise magnetic connection that snaps your Galaxy Watch into place without constant adjustments. Its built-in safety features help provide a more reliable charging experience, while the durable cable design makes it suitable for home, office, or travel use. Unlike bulky charging docks, this compact option is easier to carry, although it still depends on having a suitable power adapter nearby. A useful tip is choosing a charger with strong alignment, because better positioning can prevent interrupted charging. If simple and dependable power matters to you, keep watching because the next accessory brings a different kind of convenience. At number 7 is Swan Scout Charger Stand. A charger sitting on your desk can do more than just refill your watch. The right design can make your daily setup cleaner and easier to use. Swan Scout Charger Stand tackles the overlooked problem of unstable charging positions with a weighted base and dedicated watch support that keeps your device aligned. Its vertical design creates a more organized space, while the adjustable angle helps you check your watch comfortably without removing it. Compared with simple charging cables, this stand adds convenience and reduces cable clutter, though it takes up more desk space than a compact charger alone. A useful buying tip is choosing stability over flashy features, because a secure charging position matters every day. If you prefer a cleaner workstation and effortless access, keep watching because the next accessory introduces a different approach to protection and convenience. At number 6 is Jolk Protective Hardcover. A smartwatch can look perfect until one accidental hit leaves the screen covered in scratches or damage. Jolk Protective Hardcover focuses on that hidden concern by adding a protective layer without taking away the clean look of your Galaxy Watch. Its built-in tempered glass protector helps maintain clear viewing and responsive touch, while the reinforced corners add extra defense against everyday bumps. Unlike basic covers that only guard the edges, this approach combines screen and body protection in one design, making it useful for daily wear and active routines. The trade-off is that removing it during swimming or intense workouts is recommended to avoid moisture buildup. A helpful tip is choosing protection that preserves usability, not just toughness. Keep watching because the upcoming picks bring even more specialized upgrades for different Galaxy Watch needs. At number 5 is Wingle Silicone Rubber Sport Band. A sport band can fail when comfort matters most because a stylish strap is useless if it feels restrictive during movement. Wingle Silicone Rubber Sport Band solves this problem with a rugged yet flexible design that keeps your Galaxy Watch secure during workouts, outdoor trips, and everyday activities. Its FKM rubber material offers a softer feel, while the stainless steel connectors add durability and a stronger attachment compared with basic silicone straps. A useful buying insight is that wider bands often improve stability, but may feel bulkier on smaller wrists. This makes it ideal for active routines where grip and comfort matter more than a lightweight appearance. The trade-off is the rugged design may not match formal outfits as easily. Keep watching because the next accessories introduce even more specialized ways to upgrade your watch experience. At number 4 is Toomanyaccessories tempered glass protective film. A small scratch on your smartwatch screen can ruin the premium feel faster than you expect, but choosing the wrong protector can create new frustrations with touch response and visibility. Toomanyaccessories tempered glass protective film focuses on keeping your Galaxy Watch looking clean while adding everyday defense against scratches, dust, and moisture. The included case and screen protector combination gives you more coverage than a simple film alone, while precise cutouts help maintain access to controls and sensors. A useful tip is installing protection carefully because proper alignment matters as much as the material itself. Compared with basic protectors, this approach offers a more complete shield, though adding a case may slightly change the watch's original slim appearance. Keep watching because the next accessory brings an even more unique way to improve your Galaxy Watch setup. The third one on our list is Ultimate Rugged TPU Sport Band. The toughest workouts often expose a weak watch band because comfort and security matter more when you are constantly moving. Ultimate Rugged TPU Sport Band solves that challenge with a flexible yet durable design built for training, hiking, and everyday commutes. Its model-specific connector helps keep your Galaxy Watch firmly attached, while the sweat-resistant TPU material makes cleanup easier after intense activities. Unlike standard silicone straps that focus mainly on softness, this option adds a more rugged outdoor style without sacrificing daily comfort. A useful buying tip is checking wrist size carefully because a larger strap design may feel excessive on smaller wrists. The trade-off is its sporty appearance may not suit formal settings. Keep watching because the upcoming accessory brings a different level of refinement and solves a completely different Galaxy Watch need. On number 2 is ESR 3-in-1 Charging Station. Managing multiple devices often creates a messy charging setup, but the right station can turn your desk into a cleaner space. ESR 3-in-1 Charging Station brings a convenient solution by combining charging for multiple devices in one compact foldable design. Its strong magnetic stand keeps your phone positioned securely, while the integrated watch charger helps reduce cable clutter during travel or daily use. Unlike basic single chargers, this setup saves space and keeps essentials organized, though its wider compatibility depends on your devices. A useful tip is choosing charging stations that match your entire ecosystem instead of buying separate accessories. This makes it ideal for streamlined setups, but keep watching because the next accessory reveals a different approach to convenience with features designed for another important Galaxy Watch upgrade that could change how you manage your daily routine. Now moving to the last one is Buixel Leather Vintage Rugged Band. A smartwatch can be packed with technology, yet the wrong band can make it feel ordinary instead of premium. Buixel Leather Vintage Rugged Band solves that style problem by adding a classic character that changes with time rather than staying the same. Its vintage leather design develops a unique look through natural marks, while the rugged metal connector keeps the fit secure and complements the Galaxy Watch's modern shape. Unlike sporty rubber bands built mainly for workouts, this option focuses on creating a refined appearance for meetings, travel, and everyday wear. A useful buying insight is that leather bands are about personality as much as comfort, but they may require more care than silicone options. With its timeless design and evolving finish, this accessory earns its place as a standout choice for a more elegant Galaxy Watch setup. So guys, this was the video about the best Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 accessories. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you!